A guy who took the inspiration of all the Mississippi Blues, Harold Hollers, Robert Johnson, Son House, and Charlie Patton, and he went one further. He went up to Chicago, he plugged his guitar into an electric amp, and he gave the Rolling Stones the name, and he was helpful. He was kind of single-handedly started the English blues explosion in the 60s. This is a song called Muddy Waters Blues. Down at Stoner's Farm and flooded down the road, flooded into Chicago, down a heavy load. Oh, oh, muddy water. Oh, 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 muddy water. Found me one more country shake with a guitar on his back. Won't you lay your sweet blues right on me? Right on me, right on me, right on me. With little Johnny the Doctoroo and some black cat bones, flooded into London town, drowned in a rolling stone. Oh, oh, muddy water. Oh, 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 muddy water. Found me one more country shake with a guitar on his back. Won't you lay your sweet blues right on me? Right on me, right on me, right on me. Down at Stoner's Farm and been into deep blue, flooded the world with Mississippi Delta Boogaloo. Whoa, whoa, muddy water. Whoa, 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 muddy water. Money, one more country shake with a guitar on his back. Won't you lay your sweet blues right on me? Right on me, right on me, right on me, lay them right on me. Thank you very much. In this farmyard, surrounded by goats and pigs. And I tell you, Lord and Mama, this ain't really what I did. I wanna get back to the city, get some concrete around some pollution, probably some big city tears. Yeah, my heart's been broken, but I do a little feel. We ain't all this broken, stay inside like it here. We are sitting in this farmyard, surrounded by plucking heads. And I tell you, Lord and Mama, all I get to do is make amends. I want to get back to my dwelling, but I hear this been bad sight. Now my dirty rotten girlfriend is really coming off the tracks. Yeah, my heart's being broken by that girl I left behind. We ain't all this broken, all this time I don't mind. Surrounded by all this mud. And I tell you, Lord and Mama, that I really don't feel that good. I want to get back up and roll in my head in my own bed. But there's a certain little lady and some trouble, so I stay here instead. Yeah, my heart's been broken. Girl, I'm running long. We ain't all this broken. Take this down and I move down. Cause she's a good bitch, she's head twisted off, making sick on the witch. Every time I think of her, my whole body it starts to twitch. She's the meanest person I've ever met, and I miss her. The life and soul of the party, now she ain't no fun. Yeah, my heart's been broken by the girl I'm talking about. We ain't all this broken, makes me want to scream and shout. Thank you very much. That was Farmyard Blues.
No, she won't. No, she's fine. Yeah, she's fine. Yeah.
Okay. Oh man. What's that noise, Phil? Can you hear it?
What's that noise, Andy? What?
The noise in the background sounds like thunder, man. I hope there's not a storm coming down. batten down the hatches, lock up the door. She was the love of my life. Now she don't love me no more. There's a storm coming down. 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 Don't leave nothing outside to be sucked into the eye. She was the love of my life. Now she's all up dying. There's a storm coming down. 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 There's a prisoner outside, going round like my mind. Was the love of my life. Now all the love's died. There's a storm coming down. 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 Don't leave nothing outside. Be swept into the eye. Was the love of my life. Now she's left me to cry. There's a storm coming down. 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 There's a storm. There's a storm. There's a storm. There's a storm. Thank you very much. No storms around here though, eh folks? No. Let's hope that rain stick ain't gonna bring the rain on. Sorry if it does. As this is a blues festival, we thought we better play some deep down and dirty blues. So this is called Welcome to the Real World. Drop the town, down the town, ripped up and stern. Got me lost, I couldn't have found my way. I didn't seem to fall, was up the bone once or twice. All the while I hear people say, welcome to the real world. No one's gonna give you a break. Welcome to the real world. You as a little stick, take it on down all over town. I was dropped in at the deep end, but I learned how to swim. But I drowned a little along the way. I've been disregarded, I've been stopped before I started on the wild hill people stay. Welcome to the real world. No one's gonna give you a break. Welcome to the real world. Gotta give you as a little shake. Shaking on down all over town. Rich of you, poverty, to their faith. I've forbid a more than I can chew. I've been exploited, disappointed, busted and bound. Short-changed by people I knew. I've been used and abused, mistreated and some have my name dragged through the dirt. Well, I felt like a hooker pulling back from tricks out the ditch where it really hurts. But I've been driven back. I refuse to be taken too far. I put up, shut up, and I wised up, but I still bear all the stars. So welcome to the real world. No one's gonna give you a break. Welcome to the real world. Gotta give you as a little shake. Take it down all over town. was so much fun, we didn't know how to stop. That's great, hope you enjoyed that little boogie. And this next one is a track off my album, Walking in Familiar Footsteps. It's called Good Good Feeling. Again, it's a good time song for the sunshine and all you crazy folks out there. Good Good Feeling.
I knew you before I fell in love with you. It took me a while, yeah, it took me a while before I knew that I was in love with you. Oh baby, you touch me in a special way. Wanna know just how I feel, let me your wheel, listen to me while I say you give me such a good, 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 good feeling. You make me feel warm inside, you give me a good, 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 good feeling. You make me feel warm, yes you do. You give me a good, 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 good feeling. Thinking about this friend, we fall out there, we make up again. Then we make love so fine, so fine, ooh, yes we do. Can't get enough of you, oh baby, my feelings for you are more extreme than ice when they're red. And if you wanna know just how I feel, I say this over and over again. You give me such a good, 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 good feeling. You make me feel wild inside. You give me a good, 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 good feeling. You make me feel wild, but yes you do. You give me a good, 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 good feeling. You're by my side when all my friends have gone and let me down. Good, 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 good feeling. Such a feeling. You folks are giving me a good feeling. Good, 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 good feeling. Such a feeling. You give me a good, 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 good feeling.
Very much. Hope you enjoyed that one. Good, good feeling. Yeah, you gave us a good feeling. This one's called Too Much Time Propping Up the Bar and Not Enough